Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add another phone number to the two-factor authentication on iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. So in order to do this, we need to open settings, then go to your Apple account, so tap on your name, and here choose sign in and security. After that you want to go to two-factor authentication, and here we have trusted phone number. We can press edit in order to manage the list of trusted phone numbers, and if you want to add another phone number to that list, and then of course you have this button, add a trusted phone number. If you tap over here, you will need to enter the passcode, and then you can enter the phone number that you want to add. Then you can also choose to receive the text message or a phone call in order to go through the two-step verification process. And after that you want to press continue at the bottom over here, and that's pretty much it. Then your phone number should be added. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!